What's going on YouTube? This is Tyrone Trinity, the Diesel Soldier, and today we're going to check out our shop toolbox. Let's go. So before I start the video, I'm just letting you guys know this is a quick tour of our shop toolbox. And this shop toolbox is for utility personnel or utility tech that we have. Well, basically, it's what they call a lube tech. And the reason why we call it utility tech is because they do the cleaning around the shop, and they also do all the grunt stuff. It's what I call it, which is cleaning the bathroom, taking out the trash. Everybody can do that in the shop, especially apprentices, but most of the time they will do it because they are just getting started in the industry. And if they last for 3 months of training before they become an apprentice, then they can get their own tools. But this is just ways to get them started. So without further ado, let's go to the video. It's gonna be a Husky shop toolbox tour right here. So most of it are gear wrench. Gear wrench, some may use stuff, torque wrench, gear wrench, wrenches, gear wrench, ratcheting wrenches, 22 for Isuzus, hammers. I think this is punch set. Yep, it's punch set. Some shop tools, shop impact, shop, what is that? It's a drill. A lot of great pneumatic impact sockets. Let's open it up. No, it's extension right here. It looks nice. Cornwell. Ooh, Cornwell tools. That's rare. That's nice. Right here. E-torque set. It's missing the E4. It's probably right here. It's missing the E4. Screwdrivers, which doesn't really get used that much. Some pliers, some picks, cornwell picks. This jacket. All I like about this toolbox, it has a power outlet on the side and a USB. Looks pretty nice. It's not that bad at all for our shop toolbox. All right, so what do you guys think of this Husky toolbox? I know there's a lot of Husky toolboxes in our shop, and it's actually one of the practical ways of getting started in the industry other than buying a Harbor Freight toolbox. I like Husky toolbox. I like Milwaukee toolboxes, but the reason why I don't like Milwaukee toolboxes is the depth on their toolboxes. It's not very deep, so that's why I like Harbor Freight toolboxes a lot more. I'm not saying I have like a favorite in there, but I like Husky too because of the way they're very innovative when it comes to their toolboxes. I don't know if you guys watched my other video. I will link in the right here. And they have a double flip top toolbox, which is very innovative for them, and also a good starting toolbox. And with that said, I'm gonna end this video. So if you like this video, click that like button, and if you have more content like this, subscribe to my channel. Other than that, man, thank you for watching. Again, my name is Tyrone Trinity, and I'm out. Peace.